Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Tapflow. In order to do so, here we are at Tapflow 2.0. And what is Tapflow all about? Well, you can learn how to turn your docs, your notes, into sellable products. So you could take your notes and you can turn them into templates, playbooks, products. Tapflow lets tech professionals turn their knowledge into products and earn from it. And if you're interested in using it, you can come here and claim your invite. For the moment, it is invite only. So if you're interested in taking advantage of Tapflow, then you can head over here and you can see for yourself a demonstration of everything that Tapflow is capable of. But essentially what it will do is it will turn your ideas that earn nothing into drafts. You already explained the same things in Slack threads, meetings, Notion docs. Tapflow lets you turn that into something others can use and something that earns. Most of your best thinking lives in private notes. What if you published just one of them? And again, if you're interested in using Tapflow, you can come here and you can claim your invite to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.